We're getting our first official look at what the two Universal hotels across from Epic Universe will look like once completed. Thanks to the hotel company posting the official website early, we now have a full rundown for one of these new hotels, including a possible opening date of January 21st, 2025. Let's dig into all of the new concept art, hotel descriptions, and more to see what we can learn about the Universal Stella Nova Resort. Known in permits as Projects 912 and 913, the two hotels being built now will be located on the south side of the new Epic Boulevard, which will connect existing roads to Epic Universe. Built by the company Finfrock, which specializes in building precast concrete structures, the main buildings for these two hotels were completely constructed within the last 12 months. This is the same contractor as Universal's Endless Summer Resort, which was built in a similar style. We saw trademarks for what we presumed would be the names for these two hotels back in September 2022. And with today's news, we do have confirmation that they will in fact be called Universal Stella Nova Resort and Universal Terra Luna Resort. In recent weeks, colorful reflective tiles have been installed along the exterior of the Project 912 structure, which we now know is the Stella Nova Resort. Thanks to the Loews Hotel's official website posting the official landing page for this resort early, we can now see what both of these hotels will look like once completed. This rendering was found at the top of the landing page for the hotel and shows both of the buildings with their completed tiled designs. This official website, which was live for several hours, describes these two new hotels as the new gateway to the Universal Orlando Resort. We can even see a new Universal entry sign in the rendering on the corner of Universal Boulevard at the start of the extended Kirkman Road, as if this will be the new entry road leading to all of Universal Orlando. The website goes on to say, the all-new Universal Stella Nova Resort was inspired by the infinite vastness of the unknown universe and the wonder of what lies beyond our world. Opening January 21st, 2025, it's where you'll take off for amazing adventures and exclusive theme park benefits at the parks. It's also where you'll touch down for relaxation and recharging between the fun. This possible opening date aligns with the construction timeline seen in permit information, which has the punch list for the Project 912 hotel completed by January 2025. If its sister hotel follows the same rule of thumb, that could mean that we could see Terra Luna open by the end of March 2025. Of course, since this Loews website page is no longer live, that January opening date is subject to change. According to the site, the Epic Universe theme park will not be open when this resort opens to guests. It says that Universal Epic Universe will open at a later date in 2025. However, they do stress that convenient and complimentary shuttles will be able to take you from the hotel to the current theme parks and City Walk, and that early entry for an hour for select experiences at the parks will still be available, same as the existing Universal Orlando hotels. Looking back at the official concept art for these hotels, it is worth noting that the Epic Universe theme park is missing from this image. It should be visible here in the background, behind the Kirkman Road raised circle ramp. The park may be missing from this image so that guests booking this hotel do not assume that it will be there when they check in, or simply because the new concept art for the park has not been released yet. What we can see in this art is a pretty good look at the two resorts' pool areas, which appear similar to the Endless Summer Resort pools at first glance. The pool for Stella Nova is described as a 10,000 square foot resort-style pool, and will also include a nearby kids' splash pad area, hot tub, and outdoor fire pit, which seem more in line with offerings at Cabana Bay or Aventura than Endless Summer, making it a bit hard to pin down a price point. And that is something that was not yet visible within the landing page for the Stella Nova Resort: pricing. We can assume from the amenities and being conveniently located across from Epic Universe that these resorts may fall into the prime value category, like Cabana Bay or Aventura, but that still is not confirmed. Other amenities include a fitness center, game room, gift shop, and dining options. The official site says, throughout the resort, there are restaurant and lounge options sure to fit the palate of everyone, including a pool bar and grill and pizza delivery. Permits we've seen for the hotel describe a restaurant with 203 seats, as well as a bar lounge with 113 seats. As for the rooms of the Stella Nova Resort, of which there will be 750, it says, you'll enjoy endless family fun with a massive pool, standard rooms that sleep up to 4, multiple dining options, and tons of recreational fun. An example floor plan image is included in the image gallery, which shows an almost exact duplicate layout of the standard rooms for Cabana Bay. Images of the room itself, including the bathroom, were included as well, showing what the unique rounded space porthole-style windows would look like from the inside, as well as the celestial-style wallpaper behind the bed and Art Deco carpet. According to permit documents, it does not appear that this resort will feature any multi-bedroom suites like the Endless Summer Resort, although connecting doors can be opened between adjoining rooms to create larger shared space for families. Bookings for the Universal Stella Nova Resort are rumored to open as early as next month, which will be just about a year out from its possible opening, giving guests time to plan their next vacation. This could explain why the official website is being prepared now. No details were included about the hotel at the back of the park, the 500-room Universal Helios Grand Hotel, but we expect that that one will open with the theme park and cost quite a bit more. Be sure you're subscribed to the channel because the Epic Universe news will be coming in fast, with a full reveal for the theme park expected from the company in January. But also, we will be sharing new rumors on other Universal projects for Orlando, like a new Zelda land, next year's DreamWorks land, Pokemon coming to the parks, and more Nintendo rides. For even more information, as well as behind-the-scenes posts, your name in the credits, and more, consider joining our Patreon to support what we do. Patreon.com/themeparkstop. Thanks for watching. See you next time.